Hi there, it's Wendy from wendybottrell.com, and today I wanted to share one daily habit for optimal physical health. And so the idea today is choose real organic foods. And in our holistic health lifestyle coaching program, we learned that organic is always best. It's nutrient dense food that is giving you all the nutrition that's important for good health. So that's when we're talking about food, we're talking about organic is best, but it's important to buy and eat the highest quality food that suits your lifestyle and your life. If organic isn't an option, consider with your fruits and veggies the Clean 15. They tend to be less sprayed, less toxic, and the Dirty Dozen are highly sprayed, so you would want to use those in the organic form if possible. So let's get into the ideas today. So eating a healthy, real food diet positively affects many aspects of your body, including brain function and your overall mood. Eating organic food, as we just discussed, versus those that are heavily processed to ensure you're also avoiding, many of the unhealthy additives that harm your health. And aim to eat a balanced diet with whole, real organic foods, organic fruits and veggies, as we discussed, pastured proteins, wild fish, and healthy fats. Skip processed foods as much as possible, such as refined sugars, refined flours, processed fats, and table salts that are common in packaged, prepared, and processed items that do no benefit to you and your health. Fill at least half your plate with fruits and veggies. Prepare your meals at home. Cooking is a lost art, so practice cooking in your own kitchen, again using high quality, real foods and high quality ingredients. Prep your meals or the ingredients for cooking in one day to have healthy options available when time is short. This also allows for better portion control and helps you to stick to your dietary goals more easily. So these are a few ideas about foods that will help you for optimal physical health. So I'm Wendy, wendybottrell.com. We want to thank you for connecting with us. Please share any comments or questions. We invite you to like, subscribe to our channel, and join our health and fitness newsletter. We'll put that link in the pinned comment. Thanks very much. Bye for now. Enjoy.